Hey Chris, hey. So I've gotten you actually three grinders, two Makitas and one Milwaukee. They're all 3.1 pounds. They're all 6.5 and 7 watts. So they're really, amps. They're really powerful, and they all weigh, like I said, 3.1 pounds. So they're very light. I've already assembled one for you. Here's the actual kit. The kit is this extension. The extension goes on, and you see here with my hand. As for reference, look at. Here, I'm going to zoom out here for a second. You see how it's really well positioned. They'll be able to sand easily. All right. Now, bear in mind, this is for woodworking. All right. It doesn't necessarily say woodworking, but the pictures all show woodworking and so on. So the staff have to really take care of this stuff here. All right. The RPM of these suckers is 11,000 or something like that. They're pretty fast little grinders. Can't see what it says here. This one here, does it say the RPM? Of course it doesn't. Oh, here's the RPM. 12,000 RPM. So they're pretty fast. This one here, does it have any information on here at all? Let's see here. Of course not. Anyways, I've assembled it for you. Okay, so you got a nice little hand tool here, really compact, electric, and if they're walking around with air hoses, why can't they walk around with electric cord? Okay, and like I said, this thing uses 1/8 of the power of air tools. All right, and now they can get in there. Now they can get really in there, and with their hand all the way up here, they can really control the sanding. Now, it comes with an extra bolt. You see the bolt? And this is plastic. So they got to screw it in so that the plastic is below the surface of the sanding disc. Okay, that's really important. Otherwise, they'll damage this. So we got one extra here, and this little Allen key. So I've got you two sets here. So you can see there's the two here. This one here doesn't have the plastic because the plastic is already inside this guy. You just pull the plastic out. It's literally just a little plastic piece you pull out, and the screw goes in. Okay, and then to tighten it, I just use my fingers to hold this here, and to tighten it with this. What else? This you could technically use a wrench to tighten this up as well. What else? They've given you, I think 120 and 80 grit. There's actually more 120s in here. I noticed that there's 120s here, lots of them, and there's here of the ones here in this pile. I would say only 2/3 is 80 grit. Now, this is all probably wood grade, so you'll have to get Patty to get more. Give Patty, if you can get take these with you and tell them you want stuff for steel. I'm not sure if these are the right stuff for steel. I think they're for wood. Let's see what it says it comes with. You see here? Oh, it comes with lots of different grits. Look at that. I was wrong. Included in this kit. So you got 380s and so on. So you got all sorts of different. But we don't need super fine for what we're doing. But we can always try it. I mean, look at that. They really do give you a whole variety here. I was wrong. Look at that. Look at that. That is fine. That is really fine. Anyways, that's it. If you need more, let me know. But you've got enough here to set up 2 grinders and 1 extra grinder. And they're all 3.1 pounds. All right? But please have only one person do the assembling because it really takes a lot of care and gentle love. Because this is $100, exactly $99 for this kit. But I think it's well worth it because we get to now use our grinders for this stuff. Thanks. Good luck. Again, one person, please only. Don't have multiple people putting this stuff together, and they've got to keep it as a kit. Maybe get a box or a bag or something for them. Thank you.